Hey there pluckers, Arthur's Four Fingers back with you again with hopefully another interesting little ditty for you. This is a very quick one for you. It's Christmas season coming up, so I thought I'd do this little Pretenders number called 2000 Miles. Basically, it's basically a 3-chord trick, but it's got lots of jingly jangly bits in it which are quite nice. Okay, so starting off, basic chords for the song are basically a G, C, D. Come on Becky, very simple. It's a and then the middle bit is just C and D. Da 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 da. That's it in its basic form. For the G, I would recommend you play a 4-fingered G. Now standard G is fine, but it's more jingly jangly if you play a 4-fingered G, doubling up on the top 2 strings, 3rd fret. Okay, gives it that little jingle jangle. Obviously on the original I think it's probably on a 12 string, but so let's get to it. So what I'm doing is I'm playing a 4-fingered G for the jingly jangly bit. It's like. Then we're doing this sort of a, you could call this a G major 7th shape, I suppose, but it's basically going from the G, I go to this. First finger is playing the 2nd fret on a top E string, and my first finger is playing the 2nd on the 1st, and my 3rd finger is playing that 3rd fret of the 2nd string, so it's. And we're playing 4 downwards, so the 4th string's open and the 3rd string's open. Okay, so you've got. Okay, then you add your pinky to that top E string, 3rd fret, so it's. Okay, so you've got G, then this G major 7th to the G sus4 shape. Okay. Okay, got that. Then we play a C chord, and it's 5 downwards. Right. So you play it all the way down from the C down to the top E string, standard C chord. Then you add your pinky to the 3rd fret on the 2nd string. Right. So it's got. And what you do is you play the C chord, then play the 3rd fret of the 2nd string with your pinky, and then the open 3rd string. So you got. Okay, so now we've got this. Then we play a standard D chord. And then you do another single stroke on the D, and then little minute pause, and then you play the D again, and then add the pinky to the top E string, 3rd fret, to make the D sus4. Okay, then we'll start all over again. So it's like. So I play that really slowly, right? After so many times you go into the middle bit and it's just C to D, a couple of times, stop, and then to finish it off you've got this little riff, and all that is 2nd string, 3rd fret, pull off to the 1st fret, right, and then you pull to open. To open 2nd, right? 3rd to 2nd, 3rd fret, 2nd string, pull off to the first fret, second string, and that pulls off to the open second string. All on the second string there. Alright? Alright. Then you play the second on the third, then the open third, and finally that fourth fret of the fourth string. And back to this for the G riff thing. Okay, so. Okay, so very slowly, just do it again. Okay, that's my down and dirty way of playing 2000 Miles from the Pretenders. Hope that made sense to you. Enjoy and happy Christmas to all. Bye for now.